Very good.
Hello, good day. Today we have yet another fine product, and this time I believe it's it's cognac again. It's frapin. It's a good quality cognac as well.
Yeah.
And this time we are having it in a leather conclusion. Yeah. And it's like the Finns would call it a leather faggot. Or something like that. I have no idea. But in any case, it's a good quality. It's actually a little bit the same experience, and when giving a proper handshake to myself. And yeah, we'll go on with the unboxing of this. Good product. I believe it opens up in the middle, and yeah, we can actually see there is a glass bottle inside with
No way.
It's actually very nicely packaged. Yeah.
Pretty neat.
And this one actually, it could be a shelf product when opened like this. The bottle also very beautiful, and quite nice quality of the strap. And while we lift the bottle out of the enclosure, we can see it's a very fine single vineyard cognac. So it's really a top shelf one. Yeah.
Yeah, this is really top shelf.
With this, we have unboxed another bottle of cognac.
Hey, I would like to ask you to unbox the cork of the bottle and try the weight of the cork.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually. So we'll do the full unboxing of the product itself.
A full unboxing. Yes.
All right. Yeah, I like this.
Because I know that the cork is really special and it's made of metal.
I have no nails.
Really fucking
no more
heavy.
nails.
It's like
I need to get my hands on the.
when you get your hands on the bottle, you feel really like this is a top-notch bottle and it's from the top shelf.
Top shelf.
From the-
and
from the
look at the
alpha.
cork itself. It's like it's
really
like crafted very
crafted metal, one piece.
And
So
let's
you can get this from Systembolaget or
listen
Alko
to the sound
in a price of 130 euros,
closed cork.
139 euros.
This is actually a very quiet one. So we really need to listen to it very carefully.
Yeah.
It doesn't even squeak.
Make it.
No, it doesn't squeak at all.
Okay.
Now we have some sound. Oh, there we go.
There we
Now we have the classic squeak.
Yes! Little bit squeaking, yes. Of course.
And there we have yet another one unboxing.
Yes. Excellent. Yes!